Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here. And now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin. You're going to be here for a long... Let's go. Have a good time. Yeah? Oh, Henry! Oh, how's it going? Uh-huh. Yeah? Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Huh. Yeah, I'm fine right now, actually. Where are you? The wall. Yeah, I think I've heard of that place. Actually, I'm pretty close. Yeah, I'm on a mission, but, I should have some time to swing by. Yeah, just, try to get outside and I'll you know... Hey, where you going? What? Hey, so, I see the wall. Oh, you're outside? Nice. I think I see you. Yeah, there's a guard in the way. I got this. Yeah, it'll be just like the old times. And there you go. Hey, I'm seeing a helipad up here. Could be a pretty good place to get picked up. Once I get close, though, they'll probably raise the alarm. Oh, yeah, they see me. Get him!